JK Marble Maintenance provides expert natural stone restoration and marble maintenance for over 20 years. Marble countertops. We clean, hone, polish, and seal marble, granite, travertine, limestone, and concrete countertops. For more detailed information, you can visit their website at JK Marble Maintenance. Polished concrete floors. JK Marble Maintenance specializes in staining and concrete dyes, concrete overlays, epoxy floors, grinding concrete surfaces. With over 20 years of experience, they pride themselves on combining quality craftsmanship with genuine care. Additionally, JK Marble Maintenance is known for its environmentally friendly practices and professional yet affordable services, serving clients across Southern California. JK Marble Maintenance offers a variety of specialized services focusing on marble and stone care. Their offerings include marble restoration, where they bring back the original luster and shine of marble surfaces through grinding, honing, polishing, and sealing. They also provide expert marble cleaning services that remove dirt, stains, and bacteria without damaging the marble. Their approach to each project is personalized, ensuring client satisfaction and tailored solutions for both residential and commercial spaces.